Welcome to Mother Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. 5 years ago, we shared a video about the Ryobi battery-powered leaf vacuum and mulcher. Today, I'm going to revisit that tool and show you if I'm still using it, if it still works, and if I'd buy it again. First thing, this is where I've been storing it. I typically don't store my outdoor tools outside, but I found this tool is most convenient by storing it in this resin box. I do store my 40-volt batteries for this tool inside along with all our other batteries. Batteries last longer and are safer stored in temperature-controlled locations. The first thing that's been an issue is this fabric bag that comes with the tool. You can see it's really dirty inside and it's really impossible to clean. In the 5 years, I haven't found a way to buy a Ryobi replacement bag, but recently I found a third-party bag on Amazon that I'm going to try out today. The new bag looks fairly similar to the old bag. It does have a smaller opening for taking out the leaves, but it holds just about the same amount as the original bag. This tool has done well over the 5 years, but I've ended up not using it as often, and here are the 3 reasons. Number 1, it's awkward to hold. Number 2, sticks get stuck in the blade fairly often. Number 3, it's somewhat annoying to empty the leaf bag. But overall, the tool works as designed, and I do use it occasionally. But during the 5 years, I have found what works even better, and it's this product called Amazing Rake. It's really easy to rake up the leaves and then scoop them into a paper bag for disposal. Now, this doesn't mulch the leaves, so each bag doesn't hold as much as if they were mulched, but I really like that I don't have to empty the bag like I do with the tool. I just put the leaves in, and it's already bagged up. One other thing about the Ryobi tool is it did have wheels, but during the 5 years, those 2 front wheels have broken off, and it's not really a huge deal because the wheels didn't really provide much assistance, but that did happen. Overall, would I buy this tool again? Honestly, now that I found the Amazing Rake, I can pick up more items with it and they don't get stuck in the tool like sticks and rocks did before. So I would say the Amazing Rake is a better option for my backyard. Because of that, I don't think I'd buy the leaf back again. But if you have a lot of leaves with no other organic material mixed in, this might be the perfect tool for you. And as I said, it's held up well over the 5 years. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you use to collect leaves. Do you use a vac like this? Do you use a rake, an Amazing Rake? Let me know. And if there's a tool that I don't know about, let me know that as well. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more projects from me and Mom, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. And check out the original review video we did 5 years ago.